Hey guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at Homegrown Home Sewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. I am Abby, one of the 4 owners. It is my husband and I and my parents. We want to show you Sample Spree first up. Okay, so Sample Spree is where we get a sample of all the lines from Moda that are coming out by the end of the month. So we have Apricot and Ash by Corey Yoder. We are getting that entire line. We have charm packs, layer cakes, and jelly rolls right now. We're getting more of all of them. We did have a fat quarter bundle, except we're making a sample because we're getting the whole line and like 20 more fat quarter bundles. So don't worry, we'll have that option available. We're also have the jelly rolls from Ombre Fairy Dust Metallic. That's V & Company. These are really fun addition to her lines. And then we have Zoology. We're getting, I want to say we're getting this whole line too. If not the whole line, like, 90%. So we have one of the fat quarter bundles because it's Sample Spree, so we only can have 1 pack of each. We're getting more of all of this, don't worry. Jelly rolls, layer cakes. Then we have Squirrely Girl by Bunny Hill Designs. We just love this. We think that this is just too much fun. So we're getting 90 at least % of the line of this, as well as we have all of those Sample Sprees. So buy them because you know you want them. Okay, then we have a new blender to add. Now, it doesn't go in our blender section because we're running out of room. It's called Color Bomb by Marcus Fabric. So we have all these. We got the whole line. All these. And then it even extends over here for some as well. So these are great. They look like little circles. We might maybe do a fat quarter bundle in an upcoming Sunday selling. I don't know, maybe. We'll see. Then we have some patterns for you today. We have a tree pattern. These are all the pattern basket designs. So this is a tree farm, and it's great scrap buster like it says. Then we have the Christmas jars, little mason jars with Christmas trees in them. And then, of course, you have pumpkins and things, which we think that this would be really cute out of Squirrely Girl. Yeah. Then we have Branded by Sweetwater from Moda. Love this. This is actually the fat quarter bundle. We'll be announcing the giveaway tomorrow. If you purchase something on our last Sunday selling live, pay attention. It'll go up tomorrow. Then, so many things this week. We have this cool postcard fabric for all the traveling, and then it comes with a panel. So this is really cool. It's like a 3rd yard repeat, and it's you can sew it together as a book, and it is mixed drink recipes. How fun is that? Great for summertime. Got some cool ones on there. And then we have this panel of birds. Let me show you a little bit of those. And it goes with this. We thought this would be great backing to go with the panel, or just backing on a fun quilt because it's pretty. Then what do we have next? A bag. It's actually a bag panel. This is really cool. It's from QT. It is the Take Along Tote. So the craft tote, you see a picture of it here. It's 9.5 by 10 inches by 4. It is this panel. So you need this panel to make it. It has all the instructions on here. It has the lining, everything. So how fun is that? I think that's super fun. And obviously you're all crafters probably watching this, so we know you could use another bag. And then lastly today, we have a Paisley line by Marcus Fabrics. It is called Paisley Palette. We have 6 of those bolts. Oh, sorry, they're not properly wrapped yet. So some nice goldeny yellows in there. I like that addition to our primitive room for sure. So if you're a primitive gal, there you go. Okay, so a couple announcements. First of all, we hope you have a great, safe 4th of July this weekend. If you're getting together with people, you're not allowed with people, we hope it's fun and safe. And
no blowing off fingers with fireworks.
Yeah, because then you can't use rotary cutters or sew or quilt or anything. That's no fun. And then also we will not be having a live or a pre-recorded this weekend because we're hanging out with the fam this weekend. It's family weekend for us. But we will be back with our Sunday Selling Live on Sunday, July 12th at 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And it will be Christmas in July theme. So get excited, people, because it was fun picking out those bundles. Anyways, until next time, happy 4th of July and happy quilting. Bye.